I'm gonna work on the second round after I made the magic circle. You can see I already started. Use a marker. You can use a crochet marker, a safety pin. I have a kilt pin on hand, and it's just as good as the safety pin. So for that, where I finished, I like to go ahead and insert it in the round. Better yet, this way, where I crocheted. You can see the neck. There. This way, it's not in the way. It's not in the way from making the second single crochet. Now for this, I like to work in a spiral, meaning this doesn't involve, I don't have to slip stitch. So to do that, single crochet 1. Now I'm just going to make a simple single crochet 1. I'm going to insert my hook, my size I9 or my size K10.5 hook, excuse me. In here, yarn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8. And this through my pin. Before you know it, you have it circled. So even if you get your work messed in, just remember that's where your work is going to begin. So whenever you go through the next round, I always like to insert it in my hook. You see where the loop and this portion is. It looks like a little noose. I just like to use that because it's just between, you can see it's between the two, the V, right in between the V on the side. Now what I did here, I didn't increase it, I just did a plain round.